Hey everybody, John Gress here with another behind-the-scenes sneak peek into some of the new features in our fully immersive film school experiences. Let's grab a VR headset, jump in and take a look. So one of the experiences that we were really excited about bringing to student filmmakers as well as professional filmmakers who may not have had the opportunity to work on a full-size soundstage like this with kind of all the amenities is this ability to work on a full-sized Hollywood-sized soundstage. Now, what you're seeing on the screen here, this Red Dragon camera that you're looking at, this isn't an image on here that you're seeing. This is an actual video feed from this camera. So I can grab this camera, and you can see I'm actually filming with this camera. And this is just one of the great features that we've got on our virtualized soundstage. I'd like to give a huge thank you to you, all the filmmakers and film students out there who've been amazingly supportive of us and giving us great feedback on our experiences and the features that you'd love to see in your film school and training. We're building these experiences for you. So let us know in the comments the types of filmmaking experiences that would help you solve your most difficult learning challenges, the experiences that you'd like to have that may be impossible in the real world, but that would really help you become the filmmaker that you dream of becoming. In the metaverse, anything is possible, and we're here to help you, so let us know. If you'd like to see more behind-the-scenes videos or get more information about the amazing filmmaking experiences that we're creating for you in the Metaverse Film School, click the link below in the comments. Until then, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.